If you've been doing shadowing for weeks, maybe even months, but your English still doesn't sound natural, then you're probably doing it wrong. And here's the truth. Shadowing is one of the most powerful techniques to improve your speaking, but only if you use it correctly. In this video, I'll show you the 6 biggest shadowing mistakes that waste your time, and how to fix them instantly. What shadowing really is. First, let's be clear. Shadowing is not just repeating words. It's about copying, pronunciation, rhythm, intonation, emotion. You're not just speaking. You're imitating how real English sounds. But most learners miss this completely. 6 common shadowing mistakes. Mistake 1. Choosing content. That's too difficult. If you can't understand what you're hearing, you can't shadow effectively. You'll be too busy trying to catch the words. Instead of focusing on pronunciation and rhythm, fix. Choose content where you understand about 90%. Easy content equals better imitation. Mistake 2. Not listening first. Many learners jump straight into shadowing. They press play and start repeating immediately. That's a mistake. You're just copying sounds without understanding. Fix. Listen at least one time before shadowing. Understand the message first, then imitate. Mistake 3. Practicing too long. More time does not mean better results. After 15-20 minutes, your focus drops. Your brain gets tired. Your pronunciation gets sloppy. Fix. Do 10-15 minutes max, but with 100% focus. Quality is greater than quantity. Mistake 4. Not recording yourself. If you don't record your voice, you have no idea what you sound like. You might think you sound great, but in reality, very different. Fix. Record yourself. Then compare with the original audio. That's how you find your mistakes. Mistake 5. Not using it in real life. You practice shadowing every day, but when it's time to speak, you freeze. Why? Because you never use what you practice. Fix. After shadowing, speak by yourself. Create your own sentences. Talk to a partner. Practice must become real communication. Mistake 6. Shadowing like a robot. This is the biggest one. You repeat the words, but with no emotion, no rhythm, no energy. Just flat, lifeless speech. Fix. Copy everything. Tone, emotion, stress, intonation. Speak like an actor, not a machine. How to do shadowing correctly. Now, let's fix everything. If you've tried shadowing before and didn't see results, you were probably doing it the wrong way. Here's the correct system. 1. Choose easy content to 90% understanding. Pick audio that you mostly understand. If it's too difficult, your brain will struggle. You won't be able to follow or copy naturally. So keep it simple. 2. Listen before you shadow. Don't jump in too fast. First, listen carefully. Understand the meaning, the situation, and the tone. Then start imitating. 3. Break it into small parts. Don't try to copy long paragraphs. Focus on one sentence at a time. Use short clips. Pause, repeat, continue. This improves focus and accuracy. 4. Copy rhythm, speed, and emotion. Shadowing is not just about words. It's about how English sounds. Pay attention to rhythm, stress, and intonation. Speak like the speaker. 5. Speak out loud. Don't whisper. Don't just read silently. Use your voice. Because fluency is physical, your mouth needs training, not just your brain. 6. Record and fix your mistakes. This step is powerful. Record your voice. Compare it with the original. Notice the differences. Fix them step by step. 7. Keep it short but focused. You don't need long sessions. 10-15 minutes is enough. But stay focused. Quality matters more than time. Do it right, and shadowing will transform your English. How to make shadowing actually work. Here's what most people don't realize. Shadowing alone is not enough. You must connect it to real speaking. After shadowing, ask yourself, can I say this sentence without audio? Can I change it slightly? Can I use it in my life? That's how you turn practice into fluency. So remember, shadowing is not the problem. Your method is, fix just 1-2 of these mistakes, and you'll see a huge difference in your speaking. Because you don't improve by repeating more, you improve by repeating the right way. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.